It's good with this cocktail sauce. We're missing out. Yes. Fire. I ain't gonna lie. I give Culver a 10 bitch. I'm burning up in your car so bad right now. With that hoodie in this car. It feels good for me. You always cold. Oh, well, he was mad. You know he making fun of.
Hey y'all, welcome back. I know it's been a minute, but we're back. In effect, baby, sit down. You got to sit down, baby.
He cussed up, y'all. Excuse him. Excuse him.
You know it's hot.
Hot.
We tried to let him be at home, but he just wasn't going. He said he was getting out today.
He seen Brescia. Every time he see Brescia, he just goes crazy. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta sit down, baby.
Girl, they even doing. I don't know what is it. I'm not sure where they come from.
Got them at one time. Anyways, guys, we got us some Culvers. This is our first time tasting the shrimp, so we're gonna see what that tastes like.
Fried fresh and good though.
Here in a second, guys. Part. So how y'all quarantine going?
I'm ready for them to open up everything. They said Trump wanna open up. Sit down here. They say he wanna open up, but our governor talking about he don't wanna open up nothing for Illinois.
That's the smartest thing, but you know that. Okay, baby, you gotta sit down.
Yeah.
You really gotta sit down, baby. You gotta sit down.
Sit down. Yeah, it's hot.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, y'all, he know how to say thank you.
He's only one, and he acts like he's fine.
Did they give you the ketchup?
Yeah. You know what?
They might put one in here. Baby, you got to sit down, baby.
Girl, hold on now. They put the fries in one bag and the shrimp in another. Why?
Why they got my shrimp or something? Hold on.
Because my shrimp is in.
Your shrimp ain't in there?
No, they got it. They put 2 fries in the bag and 2 shrimp in the bag. You get it? They put 1 shrimp in one bag, 2 shrimps in one bag, and 2 fries in
But
one
where the
bag.
other shrimp at?
Right here. You got it.
Okay. I'm trying to make sure because this was too much money for them to be messing up.
And then they put all the cocktails and everything. But
That was my car.
That was stupid because, first of all, why would they bag? Girl, you see the lemon?
How many shrimps did they give us?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the dot. They ain't playing. Girl, look at the lemon.
What?
I'm so finna squinch it on mine.
Here, baby, you gotta sit down, please.
Look at her. Is this Bonnie?
Baby.
Girl, that got to be Bonnie right there.
Elisa, he is blowing this. Here, baby.
Yeah.
He blowing it. Here, baby. Here. Lisa.
Girl, look at Bonnie.
Bonnie who?
Right here, the white woman.
I think this dude is... Look, baby. Okay, yeah. What is it, baby?
All he making fun of. Yeah, he just used some man.
This little white dude, I believe,
Yeah, he's
sitting
Mexican.
in front of...
He's Mexican. Look how he recording it. He recorded the daddy laughing now, too. Hey, Brisha, I'm not finna play with them because I'm mad.
I told you I'm gonna stick the middle finger up.
Look.
Look at him. He looks slow.
Oh.
He looks slow.
Oh.
I'm gonna stick the middle finger up and record his butt and tell them to go look on YouTube so you can be on our channel. Look at him.
You peanut head boy. Big head boy.
Elephant looking a boy.
Freaking, oh, dang.
Dang, you trying to come with it.
I'm trying to think of that.
Bobby Boucher looking a boy.
No, he looking like, the Mr. Underpaid boy.
Mr. Captain Underpaid?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he do look like Captain Underpaid. What does Daddy look like?
Look at him. Looking like Maui. Moana.
Moana.
What?
Moana. Girl, you crazy.
He look hungry. You hungry looking boy?
You gotta say looking like. You said you hungry looking boy. Can I get a burrito looking face, say boy?
No, look at Daddy. He's laughing at everything I'm going.
He better not have been recording us.
Look like he have.
We gonna have to sue his ass. Hey y'all, this stuff is fire.
It is, though. I'll get him a 10.
Yeah, this is it.
We didn't need to tell you with the sauce.
Culver 6-piece shrimp basket. Fire.
Good show. Why didn't you say with the taco sauce?
And they give you a lemon, y'all. Cause I don't be liking all that.
To make a lemon rain.
That was good fine.
We love it. Say that when she squeeze her lemon.
We not be lovely though.
Don't matter. Girl,
What?
did you see what I sent you? Her son. I was savage. Did you see that? That is because
That was ready though.
Yeah, he was ready, wasn't he? I was dying laughing.
Baby.
Well, I was dying laughing. I said he was ready.
Alright, y'all.
So they still sitting here trying to record because I ain't never known for you to get service in Walmart.
Girl, he know we looking at him to go get cussed out. Look at him. Jaleesa want me to try this sauce, y'all.
It's good.
I ain't really into like red sauce.
Look at El Shaw. Look at El Shaw shouting.
Man.
And she was just shouting.
Shout is. He must be on the phone. Try this sauce.
Somebody stole her phone.
What?
She told me this today. And look at her story, y'all.
This I don't be liking sauces like that. Hey,
listen, listen. Oh, yeah. He said that real good.
Oh, wow.
Listen. The El Shaw phone came missing like two days ago. And so, she said she was at the girl register and we ain't even eating this stuff, so I'm just gonna finish it out. Had her phone at the register. Forgot to set it down. Came back, it was gone.
The girl
at
saw
the
it?
register. Listen. So now, she said she asked God to God show her.
Where her phone
Show
was?
her who had her phone, huh?
Stop, baby.
So she said, God gave her a dream last night.
She had her dream.
Yeah, they gave her a dream last night of the girl working here at Walmart who took her phone.
What?
And she said that all she was doing in the phone was beating the girl in the face.
Huh?
Beat the girl in the face. In her dream.
I about to say.
So then, when she said, well, so Bush came to work and the girl gonna come out there and say, I don't got your phone. I don't know why they sent it. Yes, you did, because why? Girl, they something else.
What kind of phone she got?
An iPhone. No.
She should have been able to track it.
She did. She said it was at Walmart.
What? And the girl had it.
She didn't find it though. Still ain't got it. I said what the girl did went to that, turned that phone in at that phone place right there. That machine and got some money for it.
Yep. Yep. That's exactly what she did. They got one in here?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Hide your phone, guys.
I don't care what nobody says. Walmart got the biggest thieves.
Yeah, they steal from there. Work there and know how to steal from it. They know when to do it, how to do it.
That was
Everything.
so good.
Yeah. It was, man. I'm kind of wishing I had some more shrimp. You know,
But
next time I'm just getting the shrimp though. I can do just the shrimp.
you just a 6-piece.
Yeah, that was good. Baby. You thirsty?
You wouldn't want the 12?
I didn't see a 12. And no, I'm not eating 12 shrimps at one time. I know you will, but I am. Look, he done put his glasses on.
Yeah, because they finna go. After they done taped us eating our Culvers.
I'm trying to figure out why they still sitting there.
See, the one thing about Culvers, what I don't like, they gonna try to, whatever this is.
You the one told them, yeah, you could have
It's
got
always
something else.
flat, all the time. Or they put too much ice in it. They don't
They want to leave.
Yeah, because they know we finna leave that after they done record us eating our food. They finna go get some now.
Why you still looking at us? Look at him. Look at him. Fat ass mother effer.
And smoke this cigarette, too, and looked away.
Well, I will be going back to get that. They root beer be fire, too.
That's what you said, Popeye, man. Now.
You gotta get some of that, baby. It's too harsh for you. I'm gonna have to get him a little bottle or something. Like one of them little kids. No, them kids with the little character on there and the straw. Alright, y'all, we about to go in Walmart. Really? You always be doing this.